All right, let's manage a live position. From My Positions, find the position you want and click Manage. Awesome! Welcome to Manage Position. This is basically your control room. Range, adds and removes, automation, charts, and the analytics that tie it all together. Up top, you've got your context, pair and pool, a quick in-range check, and how long you've been in the position. Over on the right, you've got position history, plus quick buttons for compound, collect, and exit. Right under that is the metrics bar, current value, original deposit, position P&L, pending fees, and total fees earned. Use the little info icons. Those tooltips break down the math and show exactly which actions produce the numbers. And yep, True APR is here too, with its own tooltip. All right, first tab we're going to hit is range. The controls work just like open position. Use the sliders, the quick percent buttons, or type prices directly. If the exact price snaps a bit after you type it in, that's normal. That's just tick spacing. And if you prefer, you can also drag the range bars right on the chart. Hit Expand for the bigger chart view. In the expanded view, you can toggle range history for this position and see every range you've used from open to now. Then you've got the usual stuff, liquidity distribution, indicators, and timeframes. You'll also see midpoint rebalance above the range settings. Here's the quick version. Turn it on and it locks the upper bar. Then you move the lower bar and the upper bar stays symmetrical around a center point. It's a fast way to adjust range without doing the spreadsheet math. The tooltip has a docs link if you want the details. Before we leave this page, click Position History up top. You'll get a quick activity summary, things like how many rebalances and compounds, and a clear view of fees paid. Then below that is the event list, so you can scan every action on this position. Range moves, compounds, collects, adds, all of it. All right, last quick piece for this video is the Add and Remove tab. First up, the Add section. Click Add, type the amount, confirm the modal, then confirm and enroll it. Then the Remove section. Same idea. Enter the amount, confirm, then approve it in your wallet. If you're fully closing the position, you can hit Exit up top on the right, or you'll see Exit right here under Remove too. And if you're only pulling out USDC but keeping the position open, just leave about $1 in there so the position stays active. Next video, we'll stay on this page and hit Charts and Advanced, then we'll jump over to History. And after that, we'll come back and do a full dedicated automation video because that deserves its own walkthrough.